Hermes Dashboard is a management surface for configuration, API keys, skills, tools, sessions, cron, and embedded chat. Its safe default binds to 127.0.0.1 on port 9119. Keep that local when possible, because a remote management page changes the threat model from one user on one machine to a network-reachable control plane. The dashboard is machine-level and can manage every Hermes profile through a profile switcher. Config, keys, skills, MCP, models, and chat follow the selected profile, while gateway processes and session stores stay profile scoped. Before any change, verify the selected profile and the amber non-default banner so a correct edit does not land in the wrong agent. A non-loopback dashboard must have an authentication provider, and startup fails closed if that provider is missing. The deprecated insecure flag is now a no-op. It cannot turn authentication off on a public bind. Prefer a loopback dashboard reached through an SSH or private network tunnel. If direct remote access is necessary, configure strong authentication before changing the bind address. Do not mistake a green remote status probe for a complete connection. Hermes Desktop can reach the public status endpoint while live chat still fails. Chat uses separate authenticated WebSockets, and the remote bind must accept the peer and the host header. Diagnose readiness, authentication, WebSocket tickets, bind address, and DNS or host matching as separate gates. Treat dashboard credentials, bearer tokens, and session cookies as secrets. Use the selected profile deliberately before editing provider keys or enabling tools. Remember that starting the dashboard does not start messaging gateways. Those are separate long-running services. Review the authentication audit log for login events and inspect recent sessions separately. The authentication log is not a configuration change audit trail. Use a 4-part acceptance test. Confirm the bind and fail closed authentication behavior. Verify the exact profile target. Test the status endpoint and an authenticated chat connection separately. Then inspect audit evidence and remove any temporary public exposure. A reachable dashboard is not the goal. A narrowly exposed, authenticated, correctly targeted, and observable management path is.